Yet another brutal attack in Clarendon. A 67-year-old woman taken out in her home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Lawmen assigned to the Mapen police have arrested a man following the brutal slaying of a 67-year-old woman at her home in Lionel Town Housing Scheme, Lionel Town, Clarendon on Monday, July the 4th. The deceased has been identified as Pamela Gregory, otherwise called Pam, of Toronto Terrace in a section of the parish. Reports are that around 7:17 a.m., the grandson of Miss Gregory went to make checks on her when she was found with her throat slashed. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Miss Gregory was taken to hospital, where it was confirmed that she did not make it. A man was taken into custody by the police. It's also been reported that the man is said to be of unsound mind. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.